Hello everyone, what I have brought to your kitchen today is butter chicken, also known as Murg Makhani or chicken Makhanwala. So let's begin with the first step, which is marinating the chicken. For that, take boneless, skinless chicken pieces, add a bit of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, some garam masala powder, salt and a pinch of food color. Mix it well and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, boil water, then add the marinated chicken and wait until the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, keep it aside and move on to the next step, which is preparing the gravy. To prepare the gravy, blend together tomato pulp, fried onions, cashews and grind them along with some water to get a smooth paste. Once the paste is ready, in a heated pan, add butter, oil, add cumin seeds and stir for around 20 seconds. Then add the prepared paste and mix it well. Then add red chili powder and a cube of chicken stock to enhance the taste. Lower the flame and cook with the lid for about 20 minutes until the oil separates. Once the oil has separated, add the cooked chicken along with garam masala powder and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Finally, add some fresh cream, kasuri methi for flavoring along with some butter. Let the gravy simmer for around 5 to 7 minutes. Lastly, add a pinch of food color to get an appealing orange texture for the gravy. Garnish with some coriander and here we have the velvety butter chicken ready. On that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking. Stay tuned for many such simple yet stunning recipes.